I'm going to show you exactly how to create a fun interactive Valentine surprise using Canva Code. This is perfect if you want to ask someone to be your Valentine in a creative and playful way instead of just sending a plain message, and you can do this even if you've never used Canva Code before. No coding skills needed at all. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start by tailoring your prompt. In the description box below, I'll place a ready-to-use Canva Code prompt where you only need to add the theme color and the message you want to appear after they click yes. You can also customize it further if you want, but everything important is already set up for you. Once you've added the necessary details to the prompt, head over to your Canva account. On the home page, click on Canva AI. Inside the prompt box, paste the prompt you just tailored and make sure Canva Code is selected before you hit enter. Canva will then start generating the interactive Valentine experience for you. After it finishes generating, test it out first. Try clicking the yes button to see the celebration animation and message appear, and hover over the no button to make sure it moves around and is impossible to click. If everything looks good, go ahead and click publish. This next step is optional, but if you want the link to be more discreet and not spoil the surprise, you can add a subpath to your link before publishing. Once that's done, click Publish again. Before sending it to the receiver, test it one last time. When you're satisfied, copy the link and send it to them. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created a playful, interactive Valentine experience using Canva Code that's fun, personal, and way more memorable than a regular message. If you want more Canva tips, creative design ideas, and beginner-friendly tutorials like this, make sure to like, comment, and follow for more easy Canva tricks you can try right away. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.